Today we're going to talk about graphing a line in point slope form. First, you need to know the equation. And the point slope equation is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m is your slope and x1, y1 is a point on the line, the point meaning an ordered pair. And recall that an ordered pair has both an x value and a y value. So if we are given an equation of a line in slope-intercept form. Again, we've got y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And say we were given the equation of y minus 2 equals 3 times x minus 4. Our first step would be to identify what the slope is, and then we need to identify what the point is. Okay, so our slope is the easiest. Our slope is m, and so our slope simply is equal to 3 in the equation. So we know that our slope equals 3. And then what about our point? Well, it's important here to notice the setup of the original equation. We've got y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we need to make sure that our subtraction symbols are the same in the equation. And if they're not, we need to make them that so you can actually see what the ordered pair is. Okay, so our x1 value, because we have our subtraction signs in the right locations, our x1 value is the x value of our ordered pair, which is going to be 4. And our y1 value is the value 2. So we know our ordered pair is 4, 2, and our slope is 3. Now, you simply plot your point. So we're going to plot the point. Now, I don't have a perfect coordinate plane here, so nothing is straight, and if you see what I'm having to write on, you'll completely understand. But we know we're going to plot this point of 4, 2. So we're going to start at the origin. We're going to move to the right 4 units. We're going to move up 2 units, and we're going to put our point. And now we have a slope of positive 3. Okay, so from that ordered pair of 4, 2, we are going to count up 3. So 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1. And then from here, we could go up another 3 and to the right 1. And what you'll see is that you should have a line. So we're still using what we've learned from slope-intercept form, where our slope is simply a fraction, and we know that we've got rise over run. So we're going to move up 3 and then to the right 1. And once you have a few points on here, you can draw your line. And remember, I would love for you to use a straight edge. You want this line to go through your points and to go through the majority of your graph. And then don't forget to add your arrows on the ends. Okay, so let's look at one where we don't have the equation in the exact form. Like, let's look at y minus y1, we know, is our equation, equals m times x minus x1. And what if we had the equation of y plus 4 equals 2 times x plus 8? Okay, again, our slope is the easiest to identify. So our slope is this 2. So we know our slope equals 2. But then what is our x1, y1? What is that ordered pair? Okay, because the setup of our given equation is a little different from y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, we need to notice that from here we've got subtraction and here we have addition, and they're not the same. So our ordered pair is not 8, 4. Okay, but we can make our equation look like the proper form by saying y plus 4 is the same as y minus a negative 4, right? Because minus a negative becomes an addition. And then we've got 2 times x minus a negative 8. Okay, again, two negatives here are going to make it a positive. So our ordered pair is not 8, 4, but our ordered pair would be negative 8, negative 4. Now it's really important that when you see these positives in here that you realize that the point that you're looking for is going to be a negative. Okay, now once we have our slope, which we know we can write it simply as a fraction by putting it over 1, and once we have our point of negative 8, negative 4, you're going to plot your point. Negative 8, negative 4 is going to be starting at the origin to the left 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then down 4. And my graph is going to be very wonky. We have a positive slope, so we know it's going to increase from left to right. So we're going to start at that ordered pair that we're given. We're going to go up 2 and to the right 1. So up 2 to the right 1. And then from here we can go up 2 more and to the right 1, but you can tell that this is not going to be so great simply because my coordinate plane is not very precise. But you have a graph, so make sure yours is precise. Again, you're going up 2, so it really should have gone through that point, up 2 and to the right 1. Okay, so you be precise. I unfortunately can't be given this bamboo board that I'm working on. But that's what we do. You have to first identify your point, use the given slope, and then from there plot and graph. Thank you.